Hi, hello everyone. This is Karthik PN. Today we are going to discuss the topic hosting in JavaScript. All of us we know that it's a common entry question for front-end developers. The agenda of the video is to explain how JavaScript engine works with the hosting. At the end of video, I hope everyone will have good understanding about hosting. First, we'll start with the definition. An unusual thing about variables and functions in JavaScript is that you can refer to variables and functions declared later without getting an exception. When you execute a piece of code in JavaScript, the JavaScript engine creates the global execution context with the two phases, creation and execution. During the creation phase, the JavaScript engine moves the variables and function declarations to the top of your code. The variables and function declarations put in your memory during the compile phase but stay unchanged in the code. I have divided into below five categories for better understanding. Hosting with variables, hosting with let and const variables, hosting with functions, hosting with function expressions, hosting with arrow functions. Let us see each category in detail, which are all supported by hosting and which are all not. Let's start with the hosting with variables and consider the code in playground. Let's create console log of x. Again, I'm declaring var x equal to 5. Console log of x. Just saved it. Try to run it in the browser. So in this code, we are trying to access X variable before it is declared, but JavaScript engine works without any error. The first console log prints the undefined, and the second console log prints with the value of X equal to 5. So for better understanding, I will put breakpoint in the line number 1 and 3. I try to run the same thing in the browser with the breakpoints. We are in the still line number 1, but we are able to see that X variable is created in the global scope with the undefined value. As the hosting applies to normal variable, all the declarations move to top of our code. So now before coming to first line itself, the variable x is created in our global scope with the undefined value. Just I'm playing this play button to move it to next level of debugger point. So now we can see that the x is assigned with, as we cross the variable x equal to 5, the x is assigned with the value of 5. So we are able to see that in the global scope it is updated undefined into value of 5. So we can conclude that the hosting is working with the normal variables. So let's move to hosting with let and const variables. The JavaScript engine hosts the variable declared using let keyword, but it does not initialize them as the variable declared with the var keyword. Using a let and const variable before it is declared will result in error. So we can say that hosting is not applied to let and const. So let's take a look with a real-time example. So I'm making console.log of x. I'm declaring with the let keyword x equal to 5. Just saving it. Try to render it in the same browser. So I'm just removing this all old debuggers. We are able to see that in the line number 1 itself, we are getting the reference error. Reference error cannot access x before it is initialization. So as hosting is not applied to let variables and const variables, we are not able to access it before it is declared it. So when we are trying to access before it is let x equal to 5, we are declared in second line number, but we are trying to access in the line number 1. So we are able to see that we are getting error. So I just try to move it into line number below the x declaration. I just saved it. Try to refresh in the browser. We can see that it's properly executed now, because after the declaration we are trying to access the x variable, so there is no errors in the JavaScript side. But when we are trying to access before declaration itself for the let variable, we used to get variable reference errors. So the hosting is not applied to let. Same way the const also won't work with the hosting. Just I try to save the same thing with the const variables. I'm saving it. We can say that we are getting where error cannot access x before initialization. So if I move the same console log after this x constant declaration, same way how it works with the let keyword, it will work in the same way. I missed to save it. Just I'm saving it. So try to render it. So we are able to get the value of x equal to 5. We can conclude that. So in the second category, we can conclude that hosting with let and const variable is not working. So it won't work with the hosting concept for the let and const variables. Let's move into hosting with the function third category. So it's like a same variable declaration will move on to top. Just I am removing that old quotes. I'm making one function, the name of get name. And in the function, I'm just printing console.log. I'm printing my name is whatever we are passing that name. I'm calling that function with the Karthik parameter. Just saved it. Try to refresh the browser for that updated code. So we can see that it's working properly. As we are declaring the get name function on top of it, we are trying to utilize which is declared before itself, and we are trying to trigger it. So it's kind of normal compared to other programming is normal behavior. Just we are declaring one function, we are trying to utilize it. But what we are going to do with the JavaScript is it is a magic we are going to see. Just I'm copying that function name. I'm trying to put it before the function declaration itself. Line number one itself, I'm trying to call the get name with the parameter of Karthik. So we in other programming languages, before declaring one function, if we to call that function, we used to get errors. But in JavaScript, as hosting applies to variables and functions, all functions will move into top of our code. So still we are able to access it. Just I am refreshing this browser. Still we are able to see that we are still getting the same output which comes before we have the function declaration. After that we were using to call it, but now we are calling the function calling is placed in the line number one, but function declaration placed after that. So still we are able to call that function. It's working properly. So better understanding, I'll just make breakpoint in this line number one itself. Just refresh this page. So if we debug in this global scope, we are able to see the get name function in the line number one itself. As the hosting applies as it is in like variables and functions, so the hosting is to the function, so it's moved to top of it. Before coming to first line itself, we are able to see in the global scope that entire function itself we are able to see, and we will be able to access this get name function before it is declaration also, as it is moved to top of our code. So we can conclude that the hosting with function also like variables, it's working properly. So we'll move into next category, hosting with the function expressions. So I will just update with the same function as expression for the real-time example. So I will change it as expression. Sorry, some typo mistake. Now we can see that I'm try like first we'll try to access after declaration. So just we are creating the function expression, same function. We need to pass that name as parameter. We'll take the name parameter and it will print in console log the name. So after the declaration, I'm trying to access it. I just save this file, try to render it. You can see that still it's working properly because we are trying to access after the expression is declaration has happened. After that, we are trying to access the declared variable function. So I'm moving this get name function as how we are utilizing in the last time with the normal function. So I'm trying to call this get name function expression before it is declaration itself. So just I'm trying to refresh the same page. We can see that cannot access the get name before initialization. In the first line, when we are trying to access this, we try to access the get name function, we are getting this error as it is not initialized. We can, as it is not initialized, we can say that the hosting is not applied to that function expression. So the hosting will apply only to normal function, not in function expression. We can conclude that function expression won't work with the hosting. Now we'll move on to next category, hosting with the arrow functions. The hosting with the arrow function will behave in the same way of function expression because it is a synthetical sugar for defining the function expressions. Let make small change to adopt with the arrow functions, the same code. So I have changed the same function expression into arrow function. So I will try to make call first from the after declaration. So that get name function, it's updated as now with the arrow function. Just I'm trying to render in the same browser. So it's without any errors, we are able to see that we are able to print the console logs as we are calling the get name after the declaration. Let will try to make the call before the declaration itself. So we are able to see that we are getting the reference error cannot access the get name before initialization. As it is in the same way function expression how it is working, it will work in the same way as it is synthetical square of function expression. So we can conclude that even hosting with the RF functions won't support further hostings. We can conclude that each and every category is that supported hostings are not. So hosting with the variables, as we have seen, it's supported. Yes. Hosting with the hosting with let and const variables, it's not. No, we'll mark it as no. So hosting with function as it is, yes, we have seen it. Yeah. Hosting with the function expressions, it's not. No. The hosting with the array functions also as it is same synthetical sugar of function expressions, we can mark it as it is no. So we can say that hosting with the variables and the functions only is supported hosting. Soon we'll meet again with another concept. Thank you.